My name is Jim Darnell. I'm the COO of VTO Labs. We're here at Squalicum Creek Park, right next to our new office in Bellingham, Washington, to put some data on drones.
And I'm Matt Dominic. I'm also from VTO Labs, and I'm one of our lab's digital forensics analysts and researchers. And I'm also a drone pilot.
We selected these drones because they're essentially new. We already have 30 data sets for other drones, but it was time to refresh those data sets. What we do is fly them to put essentially data on them, and then we go through all the processes to take them apart, pull the data from whatever might be saved to the device, and then we put that out for anybody to download. It helps tool manufacturers all the way down to forensic analysts.
Another important thing that we'll be looking for too is in these newer drones that are on the market these days, they might have new security features that may make it hard for digital forensic examiners to actually gain access to the data. Are you ready to start taking notes on our first flight?
Roger that. Let me know when you turn on the power.
All right, power's on.
Man, that is moving.
Yeah, this guy is zippy.
Yeah, he's fast.
We're good for takeoff.
Drone, see if it's following the original flight path of the first drone.
All right, we are ready to fly. I will start recording on the drone.
Let's check out the 6K camera.
I'm gonna bring it nice and slow over us.
Okay, coming back.
And we're good for takeoff. Wow, that's pretty fast.
Oh man.
Man, it zips.
Looks like a big dragonfly.
Our speed on this top speed was 15.5 meters per second. It's like dancing. All right, we should be ready to fly now. All right, stop recording on this.